Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start A/B testing your Shopify product price in just a few minutes. It is very easy, so follow along. So right here, as you can see, first of all, you needed to go to your Shopify admin store and click on to the product that you wanted to start A/B testing. So in this case, I'll be choosing this awesome stretch jogger pants. So scrolling down, as you can see, this items, it is 89 ringgit Malaysia. It is a Malaysia currency. And from here all the way down, you can see that here's these variants. So click on add option and key in create custom option. So for the option name, key in price, and for the value, you wanted to enter variation A and variation B. So you can add on more, but in this case, I'll just stick to variation A and variation B. So right here, as you can see, there's variation A, variation B, 89 ringgit Malaysia. Here, I'll just add on to match the number. And this one, I can just change it to another pricing. So let's say I change it to 99 ringgit Malaysia. So 89 and 99 price comparison A/B testing. So after I've done that, I'll just go on to save it. So after I've saved it, you can just go to the store right here. And yeah, so this is the product detail page. As you can see, the name 89 ringgit Malaysia. And if I just refresh this page, so here you will notice that there will be these new options right here, which is the price and with a version A and version B. So if I just click on version B, so it will change to 99 ringgit Malaysia. And this is something that shouldn't be shown to your customer, but this is the base mechanism of how we are going to achieve the A/B test in Shopify pricing testing. So this is the first step. Make sure you have created the variant. Variant name is price, very important. Variation A and variation B with the price. So the second step is you wanted to add a new A/B test in Mida. A/B test, start a new test, pricing test, for example, URL. I wanted to test this URL right here. Next, edit.js. Now I have a script right here that you can use to start A/B testing the price. So from here, as you can see, the option name is called price and the variation name is called variation B. What this means is if it is a variant one, we will be triggering the variation B, which is the one that you have created just now, this one, variation B. Version A is the original, so this doesn't really matter. So this is the version B, will be triggering this. Variation B, and yeah, that's all about it. Just insert this right here and complete. Save this. So right here, if we just preview the variation one, the variant one, and this is what you will get. 99 ringgit Malaysia, and the option is hidden. So one thing that you wanted to pay attention is look at when I press this preview variant, you can see that the option is hidden, is showing up slightly. As you can see the options briefly before it was hidden by the script right here. So yeah, right here. So we will be hiding the section, the options for user, which the option is never meant to show to the user. So one thing that we can make sure the user will never be seeing that option is here I have also prepared another script to make sure your site will always hide it at the start of the page load. So here's the script. So you just copy this one. I'll be sharing all this script in the link below. So just copy all of this, go back to your Shopify admin, online store, themes, so customize, and it will be done through the theme liquid. So right here, there's these three dots, click on that, edit codes. And this is also exactly how you would install the Mida script. So right here, as you can see, the Mida script, it is inside the theme.liquid. So after the Mida script, I will just insert all the code right here. So this part will be hiding the variations options, which is never meant to be shown to your visitor. And right here, we have also added a anti-flickering script to make sure the variance is hidden until it is shown before we show the variation to your users to make sure there's no flickering effect. So I'll just save this. And after I've saved that, so right now let's go back to this part right here. So right now you're still seeing this price variant. So after I have saved that, let's just refresh this page really quick. So as you can see, the option is no longer showing because we have added this part right here. It is never showing now anymore. So no matter how many times I refresh, you will never be seeing that. And from here, so if I just preview it, as you can see, it's also not showing, and it's showing 99 now. So yeah, so now you just needed to go on to complete setting up the A/B test. So just set up a random goal and publish the test. From here, you can also preview the variant for the control and the variant one. So if I just click on the control 89, and if I click here to preview the variant one, 99. And that is how you can start A/B testing your Shopify product pricing. And I hope this helps. Catch you on the next one. See ya.